Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start now by opening Teams and signing into your primary account. You need that active session. Once done, click your profile picture at top right, then choose Add Account. This starts the second sign-in flow. You do this to keep both work and personal environments separate while sharing a single app. Make sure you remember passwords or use your company SSO because repeated prompts otherwise interrupt workflow. After you add the second account, keep Teams running so both sessions can initialize. Now sign into the second account and follow the organization prompts. You may need multi-factor authentication or device policies. Complete them to finish setup. Once authenticated, Teams will load the second tenant alongside the first. You can switch accounts from the profile menu at any time. You do this to access different chats, teams, and calendars without logging out. Make sure each account's notifications are configured. Otherwise, you might miss messages from the other account while multitasking. Finish by customizing notifications and appearance for each account so you can tell them apart quickly. This reduces mistakes. If syncing problems or missing chats appear, close Teams, clear the cache, then reopen. That often resolves account state issues. If you still can't see an account, sign out from both and sign in again, or use the browser version as a fallback. One key tip: when policies block Add Account, contact your admin. They control multi-account access for security reasons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.